If your Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones, touch controls, or the touch sensor panel is not working, or it doesn't respond to your gestures, then stay tuned and I'll show you some simple and super effective ways to fix your Sony Mark V's touch controls. Before getting into the troubleshooting, first you'll need to make sure that the touch control panel is enabled. To check that, open the Sony Headphones Connect app on either your iPhone or Android device. Then go to the Systems tab and make sure that touch sensor control panel is enabled. And if it's already enabled, then turn it off and turn it back on, which has fixed it for some users. Also keep in mind that the touch sensor may not respond to your hands if you're wearing gloves or if your hands are too sweaty. And if you have connected your headphones using an aux cable, then the touch controls won't work other than quick attention and speak to chat. If the touch controls are still not working, then turn off your headphones by holding down the power button for 3 seconds and remove your headphones from your device. Then turn on your headphones into pairing mode by holding the power button for 5 seconds and reconnect it to your device. Now the touch controls should start working. Also, if you have multi-connect enabled, or the option to connect to 2 devices simultaneously, then this can also interfere with touch controls in some cases. So from the app, go to the System tabs and disable this option and see if it's fixed. Another reason why the touch controls may stop working is if your headphones don't detect you wearing it. This can happen by accident sometimes, and to bypass that, from the same Systems tab, you'll need to scroll down, go to Automatic Power Off, and select Do Not Turn Off. Now check if the touch controls work. If it doesn't, then you can turn this option back on. And now we will try resetting our XM5 to factory default and see if that helps. To reset your headphones, first turn it off, then hold down the power and noise cancellation button for about 7 seconds, or until you see the blue LED blinking 4 times. After the reset, reconnect it to the app and hopefully the issue will be fixed. However, even after following all these steps, the issue persists, then this may be caused by defective firmware. So first of all, from the Headphones app, make sure that you have the latest firmware, and if you're having this issue with the latest firmware installed, then you will need to contact Sony support for further assistance, as this is probably caused by defective firmware. Hopefully, most of you have fixed your Sony XM5's touch panel, and if this helped, make sure to drop a like, support us by subscribing, and keep on listening.